What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Tide and Timber Northwest. DJ here again. Today we got some more bass fishing. Hopefully we can get in there and get it done. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you're seeing, please. I leave that out of every video, so I'm telling you now. Click it at the bottom, wherever it is. Oh, don't do this. Come on. Ugh. Let's go.
That is your best one. You want a picture?
Yeah. Oh, you gotta hold him up. You want a picture?
No. Was that a fish?
Look like it, huh?
It did.
Look, that is one.
Did he fall on
He
it?
just hit it again, but he was tiny. It's crazy how the small fish really don't have like a, oh, that's too big. Let me not even try to eat that.
That bigger whopper plopper, but it seemed like he was only getting like decent coming back to that.
How much you think it weighs? 2.5?
2 and 3/4. It might be 2 and
3/4. Yeah, that's a nice one. It looked like he hammered it. Looks like a good one. I need to fix the drag on these poles though. It's a little one. He bit it like a monster though. What is all that? You've been down there getting tore up. You've been down there getting tore up. See him? I'm gonna be definitely getting some new reels on Black Friday. I just want to get a whole new, like, not every pole, but most of my poles, even if they were to get thrown in the trash, I wouldn't be losing nothing. This Walmart pole needs to go. Orange and black ones gotta go. Got a couple at the house that need to go too. It's 20 feet over here. Oh, what is that stuck on? Whatever it is hard. That ain't no weed stuck. That's a rock stuck. I'm surprised this Ned rig has hung on this long. There it goes. The hook is bent, the thing is messed up, but it's still catching. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I'm getting bit. I hope he didn't swallow that. No. You got one too? Ooh. Uh-oh.
Wait, I got.
Oh! They're biting it again. He's on there right now.
Get it?
Yeah. 2 for 2. Oh! What happened? Kill him on a crankbait over here.
I know. I was thinking about it.
They're down there. It wouldn't be unrealistic for 500 of those people to be. Hey, he just took it and ran with it. So this is a little one. Oh, no, that ain't. Oh, yes, he is.
I thought he.
Was that your worm again?
No.
Oh,
I mean, I have it. I thought he jumped over it.
you got him this time? They on me. Oh, I hope he didn't swallow that. Yeah, he might have swallowed that because I thought he came off. Oh my god. I hate that they do that.
I need to sit where you stand. Come up first.
Hook broke? Yeah, it's been bending back and forth, so.
That's a big one.
It's a big one?
Look big.
Yeah.
Huh?
Holy cow. You.
Huh?
I mean, he's. I'm getting bit. Yeah, but they're just not taking it like I want them to. There he is. Man. That's the problem right there. He's almost the size of the thing. I didn't. I did that on purpose, though. I know, that's what I was thinking. There we go. Not a bad day on the lake. Probably caught about 30 or so. Couple spots I couldn't film for obvious reasons. But we did get off with a walleye though. Had a good day on the river. It's all good. You catch anything yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
You gonna get him in the boat, DJ?
We don't see. Small, swing him in. Don't get too close. That's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
You play him.
You gotta have some fun.
Nah, you play him.
She coming right here.
That's how you lose a fish. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That's laughing.
Uh-oh.
That's
See him. Let me see him. Okay. Right back. That's disgusting. Oh.
Fine.
Your 2 for 2 isn't bad at all. If you want to, I think it's like stuck in there bad. There, sure you show the camera. Big takedown, big takedown. No, no, no. No way, bro. Bro, he bit it right at the top. I know, but I need more footage. Actually, that's not bad. Too big?
Big.
Only person to ever get on this boat and keep some bass.
I let people keep little bass. I'm not the ones I need for the tournament.
Right.
How many is it?
That
5?
ice is on that side too.
Yeah.
Is that all of them?
Third.